Hey beauties, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. After showing you our perfect lavender coat in the last video, there were a lot of questions about color design. Today we'll take a closer look at how to build such a beautiful color from scratch. In this video you will learn what measurements are needed to build a collar. So let's talk about one important topic we shared thread when building a collar. How to correctly choose the direction so that the collar does not lose its shape when you worn it. Let's also speak about topic of pile direction. This is also a very important aspect when working with the collars. We will talk about how to build a collar like this. What do we need? Collar height 10.5 centimeters. The collar must not be sewn on the base. One of our subscribers told us a very terrible story from non-professional tailor. So the woman ordered jackets with the collar, and when she was driving along the highway, the collar began to press on her neck. And you can't stop your car on the track. And the woman began to take off her jacket while driving because she felt really bad. Therefore, you shouldn't make these mistakes. Do you know what is my main difference between me and other tailors? I prefer to wear all the clothes that I sew. Therefore, I know what women need, what they want to wear, what they don't want to wear, how they feel in their clothes, and how they wanna feel. You need to know exactly these distances from the beginning of the neck to the beginning of the collar. I always start modeling with the neckline. Here is basic pattern 10 measurements and I'll start with the neckline. Next I bring out the cutout that I need. Here is the cutout and the middle of the center of the front. Don't reach 2 centimeters before reaching the center of the front. Our collar ends. Round neckline. From this point 2 centimeters before reaching the center of the front. The line goes under the ruler. Here's the line from the beginning of the collar to the end under the ruler. The distance here is 12 centimeters. This distance is 12 centimeters. All these details you need to know. As you can see, the collar is designed so that it can also be worn open. In order to achieve this result and to be comfortable while wearing, you must work hard and exercise a lot. I believe that tailors has no right to sew to people clothes that they themselves would not wear. Everything needs to be felt. Write in the comment section if you agree with this. Now we need the distance from the center of the back. Collar 22 centimeters. Now this distance, even under the ruler, is very fashionable now. And now we begin to draw our collar. We put the point 0 and set aside 22 centimeters. This is the beginning and this is the center of the back. Set aside 10 centimeters from the center of the back. This is the level of the shoulder seam at the collar. We draw perpendiculars up. Distance 10, Distance 22. I will call this point the center of the front because it is close to it, but it is not the center of the front. This is the shoulder. Set aside 2.5 centimeters in the center of the back. Connect these 2 points. From the point 2.5, we set aside 10.5 centimeters. Why 10.5? Because here, from the seam to the end, it turns out 10.5 centimeters. The height of the collar. Now draw a line through point 10.5 centimeters and draw it as the beginning, about 5 centimeters. Now let's talk in detail about this corner. You can extend it a little. It will be correct. You can reduce it or leave it as it is. This will also be correct. You have to find what you like. Now watch really careful. I circle our color. Here's the fold line of the color. Now repeat after me. Cut out. Let's put a point here so you don't get confused. Now you need to make 2-3 cuts in the back, the center of the back in the baseline. It cannot be opened anywhere, but open the cuts by 1 to 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters is the largest one. Our collar is ready. Center of the back, baseline. Few centuries ago, people who had cars were those who lived in palaces. And poor people, of course, couldn't afford it. But we live in a time when we can wear the same things that people that live in palaces. And that's 100% great opportunity. That's it for today. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!